What is this? Uber's charging a pickup fee to drivers? Well, before we dig in though, a quick word from one of our partners that provides a really valuable service in case you're ever deactivated for a background check error.
Thanks, guys. I'm excited to be working with the RideShare Guy again. My firm has been helping Uber and Lyft drivers who've been denied employment because of background checks. We've helped literally hundreds of consumers all around the country who've lost a rideshare job because of a false background check. If this has happened to you, please give us a call at 888-822-1777 or visit our website at www.smithmarco.com. Thanks again. We're looking forward to helping you.
My name is Chris. This is the RideShare Guy, and let's get right into it. So what you see on the screen right now is a couple of different screenshots of fare receipts where there is a pickup fee that is subtracted from the driver's pay. So as you can see, the first one is $196. The second one is $136, 23 cents. And so you can see that this is not normal. This shouldn't be happening. So first off, I just want to say thank you to one of our viewers, Mark, who had sent this information to us. And we wanted to find out exactly what was going on because, well, none of us have seen something like that before. So it looked like there was a pickup fee being charged to drivers. Well, it was a little bit of a mix-up. There was a little bit of an error because we reached out to Uber for exactly what had happened, and they responded. This is Uber's response, and they said, this was a minor bug that only impacted the way long trip pickup fees are displayed on receipts for a relatively small percentage of drivers. It did not impact the way drivers are paid, and we've fixed the bug. So no, Uber is not charging drivers when it comes to pickup fee. Again, it was just an error, and some drivers had mentioned it and was wondering what was going on. So luckily we were able to find out. So thank you, Uber, for responding to us, letting us know exactly what was going on. It was an error. It was solved. If you have any issues when you were a driver who may have seen this, if you need to contact Uber for any reason, you can and see what was going on. But again, like I said, it was some sort of glitch error. They fixed that bug, and it only happened to a small amount of drivers when it came to these long pickup fees. All right, so now let's open it up to you. First off, are you a driver that was affected by this? What are your thoughts? And for other drivers that are seeing this, what are your thoughts? Comment below and let us know. All right, and then just also a nice special shout out to Mark, who had emailed us this. And if you see any crazy things that just don't add up or make any sense, just shoot us an email and let us know. Maybe we can try and find out for you exactly what's going on, or at least get to the bottom of it and let other people know exactly what's going on as well. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified when new videos do drop. We have new videos each and every single week coming out within the gig economy. And whenever there's some weird things happening, we will try to get to the bottom of it. So we'll make videos, let you know exactly what's going on, especially when it comes to updates and changes. There's things happening all the time. So we like to make sure that we're able to bring it to you so you know exactly what is going out and you can use that to maximize your earnings. All right, everybody, drive safe.